Hi, so welcome to J Sigma Math, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at the concept of energy. The concept of energy. All right, so the what is energy? Energy is actually defined as the capacity. You look at the capacity to perform certain work. So that's what energy is. So the ability or the capacity to actually perform work is what we call energy. And the SI unit for energy is actually joules. Is measured in joules. So energy is also measured in joules, and there are different forms of energy. There are different forms of. Let's look at the forms of energy that we have. So, and before we move to the forms of energy, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then we have one. We want to first look at the kinetic energy. We want to look at the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. And what does that has to be? So this is kind of energy that is acquired on motion. So when something has to do with something that is moving, we say that such kind of thing actually possesses kinetic energy. Example, we say a moving car, or an object falling from an height. So we say that possesses kinetic energy. Then the next we want to look at is chemical energy. Chemical energy. So these are kind of energies that are gotten from chemicals, e.g. we have food, like of course we have to eat food, to be able to do work. So the chemical energy in our foods are converted for ourselves. So we use it for, and we get the energy from the food to ourselves. Another form of energy that we want to look at again is heat energy. So this is a kind of energy that is coming from example like steam engine. Yeah, so this is a kind of heat energy, or from fire, or from, let's say, from iron, like pressing iron. Then what else again? Maybe boiling ring. So these are these are forms of heat energy. Then we have the fourth one. We have electrical energy. So electrical energy is they can be gotten from they can be gotten from basically electrical energy are generated from dynamos basically. So, but of course we can see the effect in the turning of blades, driving or turning of blades. You can see the effect of electrical energy in the driving of blades. Of course, if there is no light, if there's no electrical supply, the fans will not work. The lights in our house will not work. So these are where electrical energies. These are where electrical energy is actually applied. Then we have the light energy itself. The light energy. So light is actually an energy, and then we use that to actually see. So use that energy to see, because then you have the sound energy. So such like loudspeakers, and of course, one of the or volcanoes. Yeah, volcanoes. I remember. Yeah, volcanoes. We can use volcanoes. Then the sound eruption that comes out from my volcanoes, like the storm, or the sounds that come out from the storm. Thunder. Yeah, thunder. So these are large sounds. Echo. So these are sounds. Then we have the last one which we want to look at today. Then that elastic energy. Elastic energy. So the elastic energy is actually gotten from things like spring, or basically just elastic materials. So elastic materials, like spring. Of course, this spring they possess kinetic energy. And so this brings us to the end of today's lesson. And the next lesson we're looking at the principles of conservation of energy. So if you have not liked or subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Press the button and also press the notification button to actually get notified when I post new videos. All right, bye.